Okay, so we've got a new item. This is a mini dehumidifier from Redbuzz. Let's get into it. Not so standard power cord, it doesn't have the tool, but okay. Decent power cord, I guess. But they say mini is pretty mini. Let's see, I guess it stands this way. Power cord goes in there. This seems to be a water container. So, not sure what that's for. This comes off. Okay, so I think that's just yep, that's just a float. So then if your water gets too high, it will close it off. So that's the anti-spill feature. That's that. Rest of this, nothing much to it. There's a button in front. It's a netting toggle. And the top, so you can not sure if you can see in the video, but you can kind of see heatsink in there. I think that's heatsink. Like the cooling pipes, yep. It's a heatsink, aluminum heatsink. Okay, it's plugged in and turned on. Okay, so I have it plugged in. There's a light. Yep, okay, so when it's on, there's a light, lights up. There's a fan. Okay. It's pretty soft, you can't really hear it. There is actually a slight breeze. I think it's coming out, so it should be pulling in air from the back. Yep, so I'm going to leave it for a while and we'll see whether it collects any water. I'll be back in a bit.